उंगली पकड़ के तूने चलना सिखाया था ना, दहलीज ऊंची है ये पार करा दे। बाबा मैं तेरी मलिका, टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का, एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे। उंगली पकड़ के तूने चलना।
पिता दिवस हम समर्पित करते हैं अपने राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी जी के नाम, जो हमारे देश को अंग्रेजों से बचाने के लिए एक पिता की तरह ढाल बनकर खड़े रहे और हमें आज़ादी दिलाई। इसी प्रकार हमारे देश के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी भी एक आदर्श पिता की अनूठी मिसाल थे, जिन्होंने अपनी सुपुत्री श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी जी को हर कदम पर साथ देकर अपनी प्रेरणा से उन्हें भारत की प्रथम और सफल महिला प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में स्थापित किया। हिमालय पब्लिक सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल के इन बच्चों द्वारा हम इन महान पिताओं को शत शत नमन करते हैं।
Good morning to everyone. Your father is the most important member of a family, and his role is the most significant one in children's life. A father is generally seen as the financial support for the family, but apart from this role, he is the confidence booster and he is a great administrator of the family. His quality is determined by the goals, desires and aspirations he sets for his family. He shares a kind of invisible bond with his kids. Father's Day is one such occasion which comes with an opportunity to make dads feel special and thank them for their contribution in the whole family setup. On this occasion, I wish every father a very happy Father's Day and pray that every child should find their dad as superhero, and the bond of their love and affection should last forever. Thank you.
Parents are God's greatest and significant gift to a child, out of which a father is the most important member of a family. He is a responsible, dutiful and caring person who loves his children unconditionally. A father generally works very hard to meet the needs of his family and give them a comfortable life. A father always supports the dreams and desires of his children.
Hi, I'm Megha. Wish you a very happy Father's Day. I'm here to speak some lines, though the lines are not written by me, but they are very close to my heart. गर माँ है ज़मीन, गर माँ है ज़मीन, तो आसमां है पापा। पिता रोटी है, कपड़ा है और मकान है। पिता नन्हे से परिंदे का खुला सा आसमान है। पिता है तो हर घर खुशहाल है। पिता से ही माँ की चूड़ी है, बिंदी है और सुहाग है। पिता है तो बच्चों के सब सपने हैं। पिता है तो बाजार के सब खिलौने अपने हैं।
Papa, I had something for you. My daddy is a mountain, my daddy is a sea, my daddy smiles again and again. I love my daddy and I know he loves me. Cause my daddy is a ray of light that warms a winter's heat. My daddy is very special to me. I could not live without my daddy. Also, he could not live without me. Happy Father's Day, Papa.
प्यारे पापा, मेरे दिल में रहते पापा, मेरी छोटी सी खुशी के लिए सब कुछ करते हर मेरी इच्छा, उनके जैसा कोई नहीं सच्चा। मम्मी मेरी जब भी डांटे मुझे दुलारे पापा, मेरे प्यारे प्यारे पापा।
I love you, Daddy. I love you for all that you do. I will kiss you and hug you cause you love me too. Dearest Dad, you are my hero, you are my love. You are my king. All the happiness begins with you. All the problems stay my love just because of you. No fear, no anxiety, no depression, no problem. All the credits goes to you. कभी अभिमान तो कभी स्वाभिमान है पिता, कभी धरती तो कभी आसमान है पिता। जन्म दिया है अगर माँ ने, जानेगा जिससे जग वो पहचान है पिता। कभी कंधे पर बैठा के मेला दिखाते हैं पिता, कभी बनके घोड़ा घुमाते हैं पिता। माँ अगर पैरों पे चलना सिखाती है तो पैरों पे खड़ा होना सिखाते हैं।
Daddy, Daddy, let me say, I love you for every day. I love you for all you do. I love you for being you.
Hello everyone, I am Priya Patra. Today I am going to express few words for my father. Do you want to know who is the closest person of my life? Yes, it is my father. A father is a daughter's first love. My father is my first love too, because he is the one who fulfills all my needs and demands without any complaint. And as you can see, this sari which I am wearing right now, this sari has been gifted by my father, and I think you all must have a thing which is very closer to you that has been gifted by your father, because that particular thing is a token of love, their sacrifice, their hard work. So keep that thing very close to you, and with this I wish you all Happy Father's Day.
Usually, kitchens are under the control of mothers. But sometimes papas also play the role of cooks. They love and enjoy preparing food for their families. They may not be expert in making tasty delicacies for their children, but they still relish it. They try their level best to please their kids and want to be praised for the same. Even kids love to assist their fathers as junior master chefs, and both present a wonderful duo.
समर्पण भाव, संयम और स्नेह से परिवार को एक डोर में बांधे रखने वाले हर पिता को नमन। देवतुल्य पिता जिनके आशीष से हम जीवन में सदैव बढ़ते रहें, मैं उन्हें सादर नमन करती हूँ। हम सभी की तरफ से आपको पितृ दिवस की शुभकामनाएं।
Father is the noblest title a man can be given. It is more than a biological role. It signifies a patriarch, a leader, an exemplar, a confidant, a teacher, a hero, and a friend. Besides being the earning member of the family, a father is also the most talented and creative person. Whenever a child faces any problem, father is the first person to provide a solution. He always makes sure that his children learn all the skills required to be successful in life. A father loves being his child's teacher. He always looks forward to help his beloved kid in studies. Like a friend, philosopher, and guide, a father stands beside his child and teaches him or her the lesson of life. Being a true well-wisher, he is ready to educate his child so that he or she achieves success in their life.
हैप्पी फादर्स डे टू ऑल। पापा कौन होते हैं? पिता। पिता रोटी है, कपड़ा है, मकान है। पिता नन्हे परिंदों का बड़ा आसमान है। पिता है तो बाजारों के सारे खिलौने अपने हैं। पिता है तो बच्चों के सारे सपने अपने हैं। सो लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट योर फादर।
Life doesn't come with an instruction book. That's why we have fathers. Fathers are supposed to be their children's best friends. Kids want their fathers to be superheroes. They assume that their fathers are capable of doing almost anything in the world. They even expect them to be more powerful than their favorite players. Be it any sport or game, fathers are the best coaches for their children. Therefore, when it comes to playing, fathers leave no stone unturned.
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से। चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से। सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा। मीठी मीठी बातों से वो सबको हंसाता है।
It may be any indoor or outdoor game. Fathers play with kids like friends. Many a times they also train them to give their best. They may play different roles, from being a sports trainer to a guide, a music instructor to a drawing teacher. But fathers always protect and prepare their kids for life.
When children are stressed out or tired, fathers act as stress relievers.
Father's Day is an occasion to mark and celebrate the contributions that our fathers made to our lives. On this day, I want to say that my life is full of challenges, but with your blessings, oh my dear Father, I am able to overcome all the difficulties. I know you were the best father in the world, so I will follow your footsteps and never let you down. I miss you a lot, my Papa. Happy Father's Day to all fathers in the world. Thank you.
अकेले हम, अकेले तुम, जो हम तुम संग है तो फिर क्या गम। तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान।
I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम, तू शैतान।
But you love me, Daddy. मेरे पापा, चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा, पापा।
तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ। तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ। किसी ज़बान में भी वो लफ्ज़ ही नहीं कि जिनमें तुम हो क्या तुम्हें बता सकूँ। मैं अगर कहूँ तुम सा हंसी, कायनात में नहीं है कहीं। तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं, तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ।
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा, पापा, तेरे पापा। चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, प्यारे प्यारे पापा, पापा, प्यारे प्यारे पापा।
No, अवेदी प्यारी प्यारी,
पापा, प्यारे प्यारे पापा,
अवेदी प्यारी प्यारी।
प्यारे प्यारे पापा।
Fathers' love for their children is just like an ocean which has no end, and with each passing time, it keeps on increasing. With this note, I would like to express my gratitude towards the management of our school for always encouraging the children to exhibit their inner talent. A sincere thanks to the administrator of our school, Madam Radha Ratnam, for her constant support and motivation in celebrating this event with great zeal. A special thanks to the fathers and their children for performing wonderfully. I would also like to thank the teachers for motivating the children to do their best. Thank you so much.
मेरे पापा, मेरे पापा, मेरे पापा, मेरे पापा। तुम सांसों की सांस हो, शाम सहर मेरे पास हो।
मेरे पास